Hello, uh, my name is Mehran. Let's teach you something else about the market. In this video, I will teach you something about QMC, Quasimodo continuation, and this is very rarely happen in the market. It's not very often, but we should learn it and it will be useful. Let's see the patterns. Like previous video, we have a POI that I will teach you about it after teaching 5 setups. I will teach you about direction. Direction is equal POI, and I use a purple color for them. And in the lower time frame, we should have something like this for Quasimodo continuation. Okay, price come to that area and had a break in this area, change of character. After that, price come a little up and break it for the second time. Then price should came back from this area. If price comes till this danger area and goes up, it's not valid. We don't like and we don't trade this kind of situation. After price come to this area, we can enter to the market, something like this. Put our stop loss around here or above here. Our first TP is the end of the trend, but if you want to risk more, and it's depend on you, maybe price after touching this area comes a little up and then continue to the downside. Okay, it's depend on you. And let's see for buy positions. As you see, price have a change of character, POS, break of structure in the lower time frame, and came back to this area. We try to find unmitigated order block in this area, and after that we waiting for engulfing candle in the same time frame. Let's see the example. Okay, this is our first example. As you see, price touch area and had a change of character, then comes down, break it for the second time, with the shadow, and came back. As you see, there is a unmitigated order block, and we're waiting for a engulfing candle. After this candle, we enter to the market, put our stop loss above this area, and our first target is this area. But as you see, if you have a more patient, price had a reaction to this area, to this order block, goes up, and after that come to this area. As you see here, our risk reward ratio is around 2.81, but if you want to be in the market, your risk reward ratio is around 5. As I said, it's depend on you. But if I was in the market, I prefer take my profit in this area and come out of the market. Let's see the second example. If you want to see the second example, it's here. We have a change of character here, then we have a second break here, and price come up and had a reaction to this order block. After engulfing, can you see, this is our last candle, and then price have been closed below this area, and we enter the market on this candle, put our stop loss above this area. Our first TP is here, this unmitigated order block. About the order block, we have a many definition, but I prefer use those order block that have a fair value gap. As you see, price goes up and didn't touch this block again, and it's unmitigated order block. In the future, if you want, I can explain more about these order blocks. Okay, and as you see, our risk reward ratio is around 3. As I said, price after had a reaction to this area, goes up, come down, and again goes up, and if you don't close your position, it will touch your stop loss. Okay, this was QMC setup and examples. I will show you more example in the future. On this first videos, I just want to explain little about the setups. After that, I will teach you something about directions, POI, order block, and we will check position in daily. I try to make more video about the trading, and you will learn more about the market. Please stay with me. I will show you in the future more examples.